Samsung collaboration with the Netflix Stranger Thing theme. Here you can see amazing Stranger Thing theme to your Samsung Galaxy device. Samsung collaboration with the Netflix to get this amazing theme on your Samsung Galaxy device. So if you want to apply this amazing Netflix theme to your Samsung Galaxy device, follow this video and show how it looks on your device. In the lock screen, it look amazing video on your device. So let's see. Here you can see the Netflix Stranger Things theme, Samsung Electronics Limited. So include the lock screen video also. So here you can see the description or all the details link in the description to download it on your Samsung device and apply it. So first we download it on my Samsung S25 Ultra and wait how it looks. Tap on the install button. Now here you can see the Netflix option. So Samsung is the collaboration with the Netflix for this amazing Stranger Thing theme on your device. So when complete the download, now we apply it and enjoy this amazing Stranger Thing themes. And let's see how it looks in the lock screen, always on display, on screen. Now here you can see download the theme on my device. Now here you can see how it looks. Just tap on it. Now you can see how it looks on your home screen. This is the lock screen. Swipe to unlock means this is the lock screen video wallpaper. You need to download it and apply it to show this amazing Stranger theme on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, S24 Ultra or any other Samsung device. This is the phone screen, phone call screen. How it look in the background looks amazing on your device. So this is the chat message screen or this is the quick setting tiles. Apply the red icon, the quick setting tiles. So download it. This is the text message screen. So download it on your device and apply it. You wait. Now tap on the apply button at the bottom. So apply it on your device. Now applying the Netflix Stranger theme on my Samsung Galaxy device and you can see how it looks. Now this is the home screen, how it looks on my Samsung phone. You can see the amazing red icon on my device. You can see to change the folder icon color also. Also when you open the app drawer, you can see apply it on your device. That's look amazing on my Samsung device. So when you lock your phone, you can see the amazing. This is the amazing wallpaper types effect. Here you can see how it looks on your Samsung device. So if you want to apply this Netflix Stranger Thing theme, just download link in the description and apply this amazing theme on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, S24 Ultra, or any other latest Samsung device. That's it. If you like it, share it.